Welcome to the Blattman Robotics Team application. You have navigated to our Padlet, and let me show you a little bit about how this is organized. The very first section is just about our robotics team. You can scroll down to see a little bit about our history. The second column shows this year's first LEGO League theme. This will probably be where you want to start to watch this season's reveal. So you'll click here, you'll click play, and you will be taken to watch this video. And when you're finished watching the video, you can X out and it will return you back to this Padlet. This year's theme is diving into problems faced by people who explore the oceans. The next column, I'm going to use this scroll bar on the bottom. Just scroll over so we can access the rest of the Padlet. There are two more columns. So the next column is some background information. More than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans. Explorers throughout history have searched and studied the oceans to understand the impact on our lives. Society's interest in the oceans have led to innovations in technology and a greater appreciation for the complex relationship between life on land and under the sea. There's so much more to learn about marine life, ecosystems, and the effects humans have on ocean health. So what we're asking you to do is to think about a problem or research a problem that we are facing right now, exploring oceans, and you're going to go over to the furthest right column. Here is where you're going to post an idea that we should explore for our innovation project. And so on the third column, sorry, I'm going back a little bit, but on the third column, we're going to add some more information. This is an example of what's going on in the ocean and how scientists are exploring it. So it has this biography here. She studies shark migration patterns. Her team uses tracking devices to determine where and why sharks move throughout the ocean. They are interested in tracking some different species in the sunlight zone of the ocean. So here's the question she's posing. Can you help me think of a better way to track a large school of fish? So this is an example of using an idea that already exists and then kind of using that to be innovative, and then we would research to say if this is, how would we make it our own? Okay, so what ideas do you have? Now this is just one example. It doesn't have to be about tracking schools of fish. Your job is to look into or research or explore or give us what you think is a problem that we are faced with as we explore the ocean, because there's so much that we do not know. And so your challenge today to apply is right here on the right column. You're going to click the plus sign. The subject will be your name. You're going to put your grade, so if you're in 4th grade or 5th grade, and then I want you to put your homeroom teacher. Okay, so you're going to put either Miss Acevedo or Mr. Castillo, whoever it is, that way we know, and you can type your response here. So you would type, as an example, I think a problem we face in exploring our oceans is, or you could put, I have an idea for the solution. Okay, we want to hear from you. What are you thinking is a problem that we should explore for the innovation project? Or if you have an idea of something that would help us explore a solution, okay? And so when you're finished typing out exactly what you want to say, what you think we should explore for our innovation project, You would submit, and so you can type it out, or you can come here to the camera and you can video yourself presenting your idea. Okay. It also gives you an option to upload a document. So if you want to type this up in like a Word document and then upload that, that would be acceptable as well. Okay. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Torres or Mrs. Noyola. Good luck. Make sure to hit that submit when you finish. One more note, you will probably not see your submission because Ms. Torres and I have to approve it. So in case you don't see it, don't worry, just check in with us and make sure that we got it. Okay, thanks.